Ma'am, we're audible.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good
Good
morning to all
morning,
of you.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So now, students, open page number 37.
Okay,
Page
ma'am.
number 37 of your textbook. I am going to present the screen and I'll show you which page number I'm talking about. Let me take the attendance. Yes, yes. Aradhya is showing. Please check this page number I'm talking. Vishrut, I have started the chapter. I think you have started you have missed the beginning of this chapter. Yes, if I'm
Yes,
not
ma'am.
wrong. So I have started the chapter number 4. Tick tick tick. I have explained them about how to see the clock, how to see the timing. Then they have learned how to see the timing with the hour hand and the minute hand. So you do practice at home and try to understand it. Okay, then we discuss
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
next classes.
Okay, ma'am.
So now please everyone open this page number 37. This is the page number 37 and this activity we have already done.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
draw the
We
hands
have
on the
clock.
clock. Draw the hands on the clock. Next is coming. Okay, first I want to ask from you all, sun rises in which direction?
Ma'am, east. Ma'am, east. East.
And sun
I
set in
mean,
which direction?
ma'am, west. Ma'am, west. West.
Excellent. Okay, mute yourself now. So you all are clear, the sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Okay. If I change state to state, will the direction changes?
No, ma'am.
Suppose in we are living in Gujarat, and in Gujarat sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If I go to Maharashtra, their direction will change.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everywhere the direction will be same.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now my next topic is see the sky. Today also you at night, in the evening, morning, at whatever the time you like to watch the sky, observe it. Rajiv Nakre, please mute yourself. Rajiv, please mute. Yeah, thank you. Some if your mic is on, anyone's, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, when
So
the sun sets, now there are different colors every day.
yes. So observe the sky at any time, whatever time you like, in the evening, morning, afternoon, or at night. Observe it. You can see the changes in the sky. When you see the sky in the morning, you can see different things. When you come to the afternoon, you can see observe different things. When you it's coming to the evening, you can see different things. When you come to the night, what what things you observe in the sky when you are observing at night?
And moon.
Stars, moon.
The color of cloud.
Yes. So why we are discussing these things here with the timing? Can
Ma'am,
anyone will tell me?
I can say,
Yes, please, Tej Kumar.
ma'am, because our chapter is about these things
Yes,
only.
our chapter is about time only. And when we talk about the time, we observe these changes in our day, night, and morning timings, and the sky also we change. So according to the timing, these things also change. And you all know that the day is divided into four parts. First is the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So when you wish to anyone, if you want to wish me good morning, for example, I am meeting with you at 7 a.m. So you all will wish me what?
Good morning.
Mohammed Mohammed, what you will say? Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, if I am meeting with you all at 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. I'm using AM and PM so that you can identify it because we have already done AM and PM. So you can identify it easily that I'm talking about the morning or I'm talking about the evening.
Good morning.
Good morning. If if I am talking about 1 p.m.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
So can anyone tell me? Can Dheer Kinsara will tell me Dheer till what time we say good morning and after what time we start the good afternoon?
Ma'am, from 12 o'clock we good afternoon.
Okay, from 12 o'clock we start the good afternoon. Till 12 o'clock we will say good morning. As soon as it becomes 12, we will start the good afternoon. And Pritika, till what time we say good afternoon to anyone?
Ma'am, till 12 o'clock.
From 12 o'clock till what time?
Ma'am, I can say.
Till what time
Ma'am,
we say good afternoon? Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, at 3.
No.
Ma'am, from can I say? Ma'am, 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock.
Niva.
Yes, ma'am. When it's 12 o'clock in the morning, that time we start saying.
12 o'clock in the afternoon. From 12 noon we say na. तो 12 o'clock से afternoon start हो जाता है and from 12 o'clock till what time we say the good afternoon to
Ma'am,
anyone?
12 to 5. Ma'am, 12 to 5. 12
It
to
is
4.
12 to 5.
12 to 5. Yes, ma'am.
5 o'clock खत्म होते ही if it is 5
Good
5
evening.
we start the good
Good
evening.
evening.
Until what time we say good evening?
7 o'clock. Ma'am, 7 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Till 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, ma'am.
Good evening.
Till 8 o'clock or till we go to the bed also we say good evening and then when we sleep we say good night. जब आप sleep कर रहे हो, जब आप सोने जा रहे हो, we say good night.
Ma'am, in the night till 10 o'clock.
Yes?
Ma'am, we sleep in night till 10 o'clock.
Yes.
So we
So when you, yeah, till you say good night then. Okay. So now, come on the page number 37. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, the first is, do you like sky watching? If yes, then this one should interesting for you. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on, which is disturbing me a lot. Rajvi, can I come to your place and mute your mic, please? I will not start the class until your mic is not set off. Sorry, other students will suffer. Rajiv Nakre, either you leave the class if you not pay attention in the class. See, still your mic is on, Rajiv. I muted your mic. At what time does the sun rises at your place? Children, this timing is also differ from state to state. When you go Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, this side, when you go, you can see the sun rises early in these states. And when you see the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, these states, when you see here the sun rises little later. So this timing is also different from state to state. And every day the timing of sunrises and the sunset is also little month wise it is there little difference. एक समय पे sunrise or sunset नहीं होता है. Always the some there is some changes. And if you want to see these changes क्या time है तो you can see the newspaper also. Every day it comes in the newspaper that today or in this month कई बार पूरे month का आ जाता है कि in this month the sunset and the sunrise and the sunset timings are these timings. So please observe in the newspaper and bring the newspaper tomorrow in the class and show it to me that ma'am I have observed this month timings.
I know the exact time.
Okay, where you have observed, my dear?
I'm at Karjat.
Okay, tell me the exact time.
I was coming to Surat to my mom, and then they were clicking the video. I saw it was 7:25.
No, my dear. 7:25. You talking about sunset?
No, sunrise.
सनराइज 7:25. कभी भी इतनी लेट सनराइज नहीं होता है.
No, ma'am. 6 o'clock. Ma'am, 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
अराउंड, हाँ, कई कई जगह 6 o'clock, कई 5:30 स्टार्ट राइजिंग. बट एज आई टोल्ड यू, अदर स्टेट्स में, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में हाफ एन आवर 15 मिनट्स का डिफरेंस होता है. यस मोक्षा.
Ma'am, because tomorrow means yesterday we have to go to a place. No, so I have woken up at 5 o'clock only. Then I see it was dark, and then slowly the sunrise.
Yes. So in between from 5:30 to 6 o'clock का sunrise हो ही जाता है. Yes or no? So
Yes.
observe these things practically.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't believe on what your ma'am is telling. Observe it. सनसेट कितने बजे होता है, सनराइज कितने बजे होता है, ऑब्जर्व देम प्रैक्टिकली. आज करके देखना, या फ्रॉम टुमारो यू स्टार्ट, बिकॉज you will see the sun rise tomorrow in the morning and see the sunset also what time tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Okay? Yes, Jigar Singh.
ma'am, when I was in the Andaman Nicobar,
Mm-hmm.
when there was a 5 o'clock, it's come like a darkness, whole place. And when it's a night at the 2 p.m., when there's a sunrise.
Yeah,
2
it
p.m.
it depends. It depends on the season also, which season is going on. We have 4 seasons: so summer season, winter season, rainy season. Yes or no? So seasons may be sunset and sun. Mohammed, wait, I'll ask. In different seasons, sunset or sunrises timings are changed. For example, if it is a summer season, in summer season, sun rises early and sunset late. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. And in winter,
Yes, ma'am.
till more dark, and then the night is also very soon.
Yes. And in winter season, sun rise also late and sun sets early. क्यों? मम्मा कहते हैं ना, दिन बहुत छोटे हो गए. क्यों दिन छोटे? दिन तो छोटा नहीं हुआ, अपना क्लॉक तो सेम है. 12 hours, 24 hours clock is there. Yes, there are in one day there are 24 hours. Then why you hear from your parents that they are saying, Mohammed, please mute your mic for a minute, my dear. I'll ask your query also. Okay. So must be, maybe you have heard from your parents also that mama says or your parents says that in winter season days are shorter compared to the summer. Why? Short हो जाता है, clock कम हो जाता है, उसमें hours कम हो जाते हैं. No, it is the difference only the sunrises and the sunset का. But our 24-hour clock time will go the same. Yes. And in winters the nights are longer. Nights longer कैसे होंगी? क्या खिंच जाएगा time? No, stretch करते हैं. Why nights are longer? Because if 4:30 पे sunset हो गया, means 4 o'clock 4:30 के बाद what starts? Night start हो गई, because sun already set. अंधेरा होना शुरू हो गया. Yes or no?
Yes.
तो 4:30 से ही अगर इवनिंग में नाइट स्टार्ट हो गई, एंड देन अगेन व्हेन द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग सन आल्सो राइजिंग लेट, क्योंकि एज आई सेड इन विंटर सन राइज लेट, तो लेट उग रहा है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी रात बहुत लंबी हुई कि नहीं? गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? शो मी थम्स अप.
Yes, ma'am.
So opposite of is in the summer season. Summer season में क्या होता है? Sun set late and rises early. That's why we say in the summer season days are longer and nights are
Shorter.
Yes, Mohammed. Before this concept, you want to say something? So can you?
Yes, ma'am. I just say 4 and you say you. I say 4 and you say 3 only.
4 what? Yeah, but there are 4 seasons. No, I
And then-
just only use, yeah. Can you tell me all the 4 seasons?
Yes, ma'am. Winter, summer, spring,
Hmm.
just summer, spring, and rainy.
Autumn also comes.
Yes, ma'am. The five
There are
also.
total five. Yeah.
Spring also.
Yes. So in mainly when you see the time difference, no, mainly it will come in summer, winter. Okay. Okay, move to the next now. So you can fill it after discussing with your parents and after observing, you can fill this because there is no fixed timing which I tell you to mark for the sunset and for the sunrise. Go to the next page. And on the next page, there is a picture given. Before these clocks, one picture is given there up. Which picture is this?
Name of clock.
Ma'am, Eiffel Tower.
Where it is?
Paris.
Paris. It is. Yes.
I know what time it is there in the picture. It is 9:30 p.m.
It's written there in Paris, the sun sets after 9 p.m. at night when during summer season. Summer seasons में now you can see the difference. In summer season, Paris में जो रात होती है वो 9 o'clock पे होती है. And but in the winter season 4 o'clock पे ही dark होना शुरू हो जाती है.
Ma'am, so
I was going to the Paris.
Wait, Kritika, wait. So will you able to tell me कि ये 4:30 का पिक्चर 4 o'clock का पिक्चर लिया हुआ है कि 9 o'clock का पिक्चर लिया हुआ है?
ma'am, it is 9
Ma'am, it's 9 o'clock.
but
It is 9 o'clock.
ma'am, but it's a little bit late. Then it is 9:30 p.m.
Now let me speak, okay? Now my question is, Vihan, I'm asking from you only. As I already told that in the mute yourself, Vihan, your mic is on. If I already told that this picture is for Eiffel Tower, France, Paris, and in the summer seasons, the night starts after 9 o'clock, and in the winter season, the night starts after 4 p.m. So there is a lot of difference in the timing, but this picture is of dark. Now, can you identify ये winter की picture है कि ये summer की picture है? Will you able to identify?
No, ma'am.
No, we cannot identify. But they have given this picture is taken night की तो picture है, but we cannot identify कि ये summer की picture है कि ये winters की picture है because
Every summer.
you cannot identify because summers में 9 o'clock पे रात होती है.
Ma'am, it
And
is
winter
written.
पे 4 it's written.
Yes.
But in winter, this photo has taken at night. Yes, at night it is taken. But it has taken in winters or it has taken in summers.
Summer.
In Paris, the sun sets after 9 p.m. at night during summer. This photo was taken at night. But in winter, it becomes dark 4 p.m. in the evening. By looking at this, we cannot identify that which season it has taken. Okay. By looking at the picture, we cannot identify that at which season it has taken, but we can say it is a night picture.
Yeah.
Now go to the next. Find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from. For example, there are some clocks drawn here. So Vedant will tell me, Vedant, in first clock, what time it is showing?
On the first clock?
In the A1, there are two clocks.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the first one where my cursor is here, what time it is showing?
Ma'am, it's 3:35.
Yeah, short hand is in between 3 and 4 and the long hand is on 7.
7.
Next, Manya. Next clock is showing what time? Be little quick, my dear students. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Why Manya is not giving answer? Is Manya there in the class? Manya, I hope you are there. No, no, she's not there. Yes.
10:20.
What time it is showing the next clock?
10:20, I think.
10:20. My dear,
Ma'am,
shorthand
it
is on 4.
Ma'am, 3:50.
3:50. So what is the difference between these timings from 3:50 to 3:35? How much it is raised from 3:35 to 3:50? How many minutes
15
increase?
minutes. Ma'am,
Yes,
15 minutes.
15 minutes increase, because you can see three number minute hand is increased from 7 to 10. So we cannot say minutes. It is from 7 to 10 is 5 minutes. Sorry, from 7 to 8 is 5 minutes. For 8 to 9 is again 5 minutes, means total 10 minutes. And 9 to 10 again 5 minutes. It's 15 minutes. We can say the difference between these two clocks. So you can write 15 minutes.
Ma'am, I can say the second B1.
Yes, please say the B1.
20 minutes.
Yes, please write 20 minutes, because the first clock is showing 3:40
Ma'am, I can say the C1.
and the another is showing 4. No,
Ma'am, I
from
can
8 to 9 is 5 minutes, 9 to 10 is 5 minutes,
Ma'am,
10
in
to
my
11 is 5
clock
minutes.
numbers are not wrong. Ma'am, in my clock numbers are not wrong.
Maybe it is wrong. So you can do according to this which is showing here in the picture.
Ma'am, I can say the C1. Ma'am, in C1 I can say.
Which is very, very bad habit if you talk together. I will not listen any child. Sorry. One child, Vedi, was asking some problem. Let me clear Vedi. Yes, Vedi?
Ma'am, I was like it is 20 minutes because in my book it is showing between 7 and 8.
Maybe, beta, you are watching the D sum. And
No,
we are
ma'am.
discussing B.
Ma'am, can you tell which is C and D? Because in my
It is already written A, B, C, D written. Just check your Dhwani book.
ma'am,
Dhwani,
it's written, but there are no numbers.
numbers are also there. Please check.
No, ma'am. See.
Wait a minute. Let me pin you. Let me pin you.
Ma'am, but there are numbers in one.
It's not visible anything.
Ma'am, I.
Vihan, when you speak, no, I will not listen. Yes, please. You watching the another page, I think. You watch the page number 38.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, see the page
Ma'am,
I am showing.
he is watching 39.
Yes, Dhwani is watching 39. Yes, now show me. In the first, all are correct, no? Yes, yes, correct. Vedi, it's correct.
Okay.
So B1 is this one, and it is 20 minutes. One child has given me the answer. So you can write 20 minutes because it is moving from 3:40 to 4 o'clock. You can see 40 minutes gap. Next clock, C clock is showing the minute hand is on 1 and the hour hand is on 6. So it's 6:05. And in the second clock, the minute hand is on 3 and the hour hand is on 6.
Ma'am, it's 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
And in the D1, it is 35 minutes. Please write in the textbooks. Now come to the next page.
Ma'am, show the D1.
Shivani, what time it is showing in your clock in the D1? First clock?
Ma'am, first clock is showing 7:10.
And the another clock is showing? Shivani, the answer is from you only. The another.
8:55.
No, it's 8:45 is wrong. If you say 8:45, it will be wrong. It is 7:45.
Okay.
आपको अभी भी क्लॉक देखने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, सो प्लीज शिवानी टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा प्लीज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा शिवानी.
Ma'am, I'm clicking the camera's button, but it's getting off only.
Yes, अगर वो 9:45 होता तो our hand will move towards the 9, but it is 8:45. So you can see here the hour hand is in between 7 and 8 and the minute hand is on 9. So it is 7:45. 7:45. Now we can say the difference between, now you understood, Shivani? 7:45 when, and how many minutes it moved? 35 minutes. Go to the next page. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So draw the hands in the clock. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock means 6:20. You will draw. Shorthand will be in between, slightly move from the 6, and the long hand will be on 4, because 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. The shorthand will be in between 8 and 9, and the long hand will be on 6. Please draw the hands in your clock. 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. So you can draw this 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. The shorthand will be on 7 and the long hand will be on 2. Please draw by yourself fast. 5 minutes after 5 o'clock. 15 minutes, sorry.
Ma'am, I cannot see the symbol. That. Then in my it's not written 10 minutes after 7 on C.
My dear, you go to the C, B and start doing whatever is written in your textbook. Start doing according to your textbook. There are no changes in the textbooks. So please show me your textbook. I've already pinned you. Please show me.
Then the number only of C and D.
On C and D, nothing is written.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will present my screen so you can write it from there.
Okay.
Please write. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till that I discuss. Dear, done?
No, ma'am.
Please write fast.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
After 3-4 minutes, my dear. Okay, next page, down only. How long does your school assembly take? Children, when you do school assembly, how much can you guess what time? If you have noticed.
30 minutes.
I have a doubt. 15 minutes.
Yes, Mohammed.
Ma'am,
25 minutes, I think so.
20 to 25 minutes.
ma'am, 30 minutes.
30 मिनट्स की असेंबली नहीं होती इतनी बड़ी, बट समटाइम्स अगर आपको कुछ स्पेशल है असेंबली में, सम इम्पोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट्स आर देयर, तो वो लंबी हो जाती है. बट नॉर्मली द असेंबली टाइमिंग इज 15 to 20 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes. You can write any time, but you cannot write assembly के लिए. अगर if I say, you cannot guess that it's 1 hour. That is the difference I want to bring into your notice. That if you read the topics, if you know that what we have to write, we need to write the assembly timings. Means हमें assembly timings को observe करके लिखना है. Okay, assembly timing cannot be, we say that 1 hour. Assembly timing, it can be 15-20 minutes.
What do you have to write in the assembly timing?
That only we are discussing, no, Pritika? You don't know what time you will write in the assembly timing? You have attended, no, before this lockdown, before the school closed, before that you were coming in the schools and you have noticed what time your assembly timings are. Please write that. It cannot be 2 hours and it cannot be 1 hour. So now you can guess what timing it should be. Yes, Mohammed.
Hello, ma'am. In this 39 page number, draw where the hand will be. So 20 minutes after 6 o'clock, I have to dance. And the C and D is no numbers.
No numbers. So that what I was presenting, because Dheer also told me same thing. So I'm going to present my screen. You write it from there.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe it's a printing mistake. Maybe you don't have. So this is the C and D. Please write. Are you writing, Mohammed? Mohammed, when I present, I'll not able to see you. You please tell me.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me present it again.
Hello, ma'am. This is the CD.
Yeah, C and D. Done? Done, my dear?
No, ma'am.
Please do a little faster because I need to discuss more things.
Done.
Okay. Go to the next page. How long is your lunch break? Approximately 30 minutes? Yes or no?
Yes. No, ma'am. 20 minutes.
Yeah, you can write 20 minutes then. How long is your games period? Write that. How much time?
1 hour.
1 hour, 45 minutes, 30 minutes. So whatever, it depends school to school. It is not the fixed.
5 minutes.
What I am trying to explain you, please listen to that. For these activity, the timing is not fixed in all the schools. It depends from school to school. You have a day boarding school, so you get more time for the sports also. Some schools are not day boarding, or some schools are not focusing more on the sports. They give sometimes 30 minutes, or it depends school to school. So if what you observing, it's depend on. Dhwani, mute your mic, please. Yes, Aradhya, I know. So it depends on your school, what time you getting for the sports, how much time you get for the lunch, how much time you get for the other periods. So please write that. There is no fixed answer that I tell you only write 30 minutes, so everyone will write 30 minutes. No, it depends on your.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Please, you send the CD clocked video.
I'll show you tomorrow in the class. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, is it the same time as all the other periods? So sports time and the other periods time are same?
No.
No. And in some school it can be same. They write same. If your school it is not same, so you write no. Okay, these all answer based on your personal experience. It's not the fixed answer. I tell you that you write yes, you write no. No, whatever you observe according to your school, and you write answers according to that. Hare, next time I don't want this background in my class. Today the class is over, but next time I don't want the backgrounds in my class. Next is the game period and the lunch period seem very short, aren't they? So children, what are your arguments or the discussion about this? What do you feel? The lunch period and your break period and your games period are shorter, or they are sufficient, or they are making, we need to make them more longer? We will discuss in the next class. Come prepare. Come prepare. I will discuss these topics in the next class. Thank you, students. And I am going to send.
Ma'am, bye.
Be quiet for a minute. Yeah, worksheet you will get today. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.